Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best DDR5 RAM available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Corsair DDR5 RAM. The Corsair DDR5 memory delivers a noticeable performance boost for modern gaming, content creation, and demanding multitasking workloads. With the incredible bandwidth of DDR5, it feeds today's multi-core processors much faster than previous generation memory, resulting in quicker rendering, smoother gameplay, faster application loading, and improved overall system responsiveness. Its onboard voltage regulation enhances stability while giving enthusiasts precise control over overclocking through Corsair ICUE software, making performance tuning both easier and more reliable. The addition of customizable AMD Expo profiles allows users to optimize memory settings for different applications or workloads, maximizing efficiency with minimal effort. Despite its high-end capabilities, the low-profile heat spreader ensures excellent compatibility with a wide range of air coolers and compact PC builds. Combining speed, stability, intelligent customization, and broad compatibility, this DDR5 kit is an excellent upgrade for users looking to unlock the full potential of their latest AMD or DDR5-based system. Next up, we have Crucial DDR5 RAM. The Crucial 32GB DDR5 laptop memory kit, 2x16GB, is an outstanding upgrade for users seeking faster performance, smoother multitasking, and improved gaming responsiveness. Operating at speeds up to 5600 MHz while intelligently downclocking to 5200 MHz or 4800 MHz when needed, it provides excellent compatibility across a wide range of modern laptops. Applications launch quicker, demanding workloads are handled more efficiently, and gaming benefits from lower latency and higher frame rates, giving users a more responsive experience. Optimized for 12th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, with support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, this memory offers flexibility for performance tuning without sacrificing stability. Built with Micron's decades of memory engineering expertise, each module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure dependable operation and long-term reliability. Coming in at number 3, Teen Group DDR5 RAM. This DDR5 memory module is designed to deliver reliable, high-speed performance while maintaining exceptional power efficiency and thermal stability. Equipped with advanced power management ICs, PMICs, it regulates voltage directly on the module, ensuring consistent power delivery, improved system stability, and enhanced efficiency even during demanding workloads or intensive multitasking. The reinforced structural design not only increases the module's durability but also promotes better heat dissipation, allowing it to sustain peak performance under extended use. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or handling professional applications, this memory helps reduce system bottlenecks and provides a smoother, more responsive computing experience. Its optimized engineering supports long-term reliability while giving users confidence during high-performance operation. Combining efficient power management, improved cooling, and robust construction, this DDR5 RAM is an excellent choice for anyone seeking dependable performance, stability, and longevity in a modern desktop or workstation build. Now at number 4, Acer DDR5 RAM. The Predator Palace 2 DDR5 memory is an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts who demand exceptional speed, stability, and overclocking potential. With frequencies reaching up to 6600 MHz and ultra-low CL30 latency, it delivers faster data access that minimizes FPS drops, reduces loading times, and enhances overall system responsiveness. Built using carefully hand-selected premium ICs, the modules provide outstanding reliability while offering impressive headroom for stable overclocking. The next-generation DDR5 architecture, featuring dual independent 32-bit subchannels, significantly improves rendering, multitasking, and data processing efficiency compared to previous memory generations. Integrated on-die ACC and an advanced power management IC, PMIC, further enhance stability by correcting memory errors and optimizing power delivery during demanding workloads. Full support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo allows users to unlock maximum performance with a single BIOS setting, making the Predator Palace 2 a powerful, reliable, and future-ready upgrade for any modern DDR5 gaming or productivity system. And finally, our last pick, ByWin DDR5 RAM. The ByWin DW100 DDR5 memory delivers a significant leap in performance, making it an excellent upgrade for users who demand speed, efficiency, and reliability from their systems. Designed to harness the full potential of next-generation DDR5 technology, it provides faster data transfer rates and increased processing power, allowing demanding applications to run more smoothly than ever before. Whether you're gaming, editing high-resolution videos, rendering complex 3D projects, or multitasking across multiple programs, the DW100 helps minimize bottlenecks and keeps your system highly responsive. Its improved bandwidth enables modern processors to access data more efficiently, resulting in quicker load times and enhanced overall productivity. Built for stability during intensive workloads, the ByWin DW100 offers dependable performance for both professionals and enthusiasts. Combining cutting-edge DDR5 architecture with reliable operation and impressive speed, it is a smart investment for anyone looking to future-proof their PC while maximizing everyday computing and high-performance workloads. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.